We'll guide you through how to make Google Chrome your default browser. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you like using Google Chrome, it makes sense you go and set it and make it your default browser. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. This means when you go and click on a link somewhere on your computer that Chrome's then used, and you can go and set it for other defaults as well. So make sure you go and watch this full guide as we guide you through how this is done. Don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this guide. At the moment, perhaps using Edge or a different browser on your computer. So let's go and set it as Chrome. What you need to do is come to the bottom of your computer and you need to go and find the Windows Start button like so and go and click on it. Then you want to go up and find the option for settings and click on it. If you struggle to find it, you can always go and search for settings at the top. Wait for it to load and you can come to the left and go and find apps. Then you want to go down the list and you can go and find the option for default apps. So go and click there. Now, what you can do is you want to go and scroll down here and you want to go and find Google Chrome. Use a search at the top if you want to. Otherwise, it's alphabetical. So we can come to Google Chrome. Then at the top here, it'll go and say, make Google Chrome your default browser. So what you can do is just go to the right and go and press set default. It'll go and have a tick and it'll then go and start changing it to the Chrome icon. But you can still come down the list and you can still go and change it if it hasn't already been done. So just click on it here and you can then click Chrome and press set default and you can keep on repeating that. And if there's yet to be a default set, you can click on it and go and choose Chrome as well. So yeah, you can go and repeat that for all the different options there. You go and get the idea. And then when you're finished, when you go and open up the type there, the file type, Chrome is then going to go and be used. So that's it.